What's up, everybody?
Hi, Seekers.
Back here at Cisco's Great Adventure. We're trying something new. We have a new toy. We got a GoPro over Prime Day. So
Love Amazon Prime Day. I also got an Apple Watch.
yes, you did. So we're all very excited for our new toy. So we figured we'd start this out and try something new using our new GoPro, doing a taste test. I love coconut. It's my favorite flavor in the world. And I love coconut water. She also likes coconut water a lot. And I heard about this new thing, Vita Coco, with a spiked hard version. I was very excited to try it. Have not been able to find it. When we went to Florida a couple weeks ago, I was able to finally find the pina colada one. So we did try that already. So we're not going to try that right now. We'll try that one later. But I was able to find the other two flavors, lime mojito and strawberry daiquiri, when we came home. So we're going to try those two first. Which one do you want to try first?
Strawberry daiquiri.
Okie dokie. Okay, open up.
All right. Strawberry daiquiri has 5% alcohol, 145 calories, a little bit more than the normal seltzers we've been drinking.
But it's not seltzer, it's coconut water.
Exactly.
So it also has hydration.
No fat.
Yeah.
I would hope not.
I believe they're all 145. So while you open that. Yes, all
And then when you
145.
open it, a can and all the nice, like...
Effervescence. Vita water makes coconut water. So this is rum, Captain Morgan's rum with coconut water. Down the hatch.
Not much. I mean, it smells like strawberry, but not overpowering.
That's good.
It's not very overpowering at all. I don't really get the strawberry daiquiri of it.
I taste a little bit of strawberry. I don't really taste the coconut,
I don't taste any of the rum.
which is good.
Yeah.
No, actually, I like this. This is good. It definitely tastes like a strawberry daiquiri. A very mellow strawberry daiquiri.
You know, like when you drink something from, you expect that flavor. So I was a little confused when
No, it's
I
good.
didn't
I like
have
it.
it, and it's just
But it's
tastes
got a
like,
little bit of tartness.
honestly, it tastes like flavored plain water. It doesn't actually have bubbly.
Like hint water.
Yeah, yeah.
So I think she likes it. All right, so the next one is the lime mojito. I'll like this one more than she will. She's not a big lime person. And
Doesn't really know me. 21 years later, all I drink now is margaritas with lime, and I love lime. Did you forget that?
I did. It's weird. As much as I like lime, I don't like margaritas at all.
Tastes like water that someone added some lime to. Again, no rum taste. These are very smooth.
I don't like that one. Tastes like a margarita, like a watery margarita.
It does taste like it does taste whatever, but I don't taste the. See, I don't agree with the margarita part. Like, I don't taste the alcohol.
Maybe it's the lime.
I just taste like the water and the lime. It's
not bad. I
no.
mean, I will drink it, but when we go back to buy more, I probably won't buy more of that one. You could. I probably won't.
It could be dangerous. It tastes just like you're just drinking water.
Which is what I always wanted. Remember that spiked water that Kyle used to get me?
Oh yeah.
It was water and vodka in a bottle. It sounds weird, but like it was really, really good. Can't find it anymore. I know there's stuff like it now. It was before the seltzer. And the last one is the pina colada. Same thing, 145 calories, 5% alcohol. Like I said, we have had this one, and I did enjoy it. This one basically just tastes like pineapple water. But see that I actually taste the coconut there.
This is the most flavorful one. I would say, as far as like
I taste the pineapple, I taste the coconut.
the essence, like the amount of flavor to them, this has the most fruity taste. This you taste lime more, less than the fruit in this, but more than the strawberry daiquiri. The strawberry daiquiri, you really don't get much flavor at all. Not that it's bad,
Use the
just
daiquiri. See, I tasted the strawberry.
it's a very subtle. Like the lime comes through a lot, like stronger. Lime.
So which is your favorite?
Pina colada.
Yep, mine too. But they're very good, very cool. Check them out. Leave comments. Let us know what you think. If you try them, which ones do you like? And
So if I'm drinking vitamin coconut, if I'm drinking Vita Coco, if I'm drinking coconut water with my rum, does that mean I won't get a hangover tomorrow if I drink them all tonight?
I don't know. We'll find out.
All right. Cheers.
See you tomorrow. All right, Seekers. Catch you later.